Right, now I will start today's session. In this paper, we discuss. This is a paper we discussing now. Paper one we have done, and then in the second paper, in the second paper, this paper, second paper, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4 discussed last day. Yes, right. And then today we need to start accounting. Is it right, Akshaya? We need to start accounting, eh? Yes or no? Yes, yes, right. Ramisha, we need to start accounting part, ne?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Tamai, we will start accounting part. Right. Tamai, this paper is 2019 Western Province paper. There are some mistakes. Okay, there are some printing mistake. There are some printing mistake of this paper. Therefore, some of the things we will correct. Okay, some of the points we will correct, and then we will conclude the paper. Right, Lamai. Right. Right, Lamai. Go to question number 5. Go to question number 5. Quickly write Roman number 1. Lamai, some of the things we need to correct in this paper. We will correct them. We will correct them. Time to time we will correct some of the points in this paper. Right. Lamai, quickly write down. Introduce accounting. Quickly write down meaning of accounting. Accounting means what? Accounting means a process of providing information to stakeholders to take various decisions. Am I quick to write down meaning of accounting? In here, introduce accounting. It is accounting is a process of providing. Accounting is a process of providing. Accounting is a process of providing information to stakeholders. Information to stakeholders to take various decisions. To take various decisions. Meaning of accounting. Okay, then right. Right. And then students, quickly complete this problem number 2. In this paper, there are some printing mistakes. Therefore, don't complete questions until I ask you to complete. Okay, there are some printing mistakes. Okay, now this is a Western Province 2019 paper. Because of Western Province, there are some mistakes. Right. Students, quickly complete Roman number 2. Okay, you can do it. An accounting equation question. An accounting equation question. Fill in the following table. Fill in the following table according to the given transactions. Fill in the following table according to the given transactions. Lamai, quickly complete this accounting equation question. Quickly complete this accounting equation question. Here, Owner investor 600,000. Owner investor 600,000 to business organization. And then how to record? Cash plus 600,000. Cash plus 600,000. Equity plus 600,000. And the second one, obtain a bank loan of 100,000. Obtain a bank loan of 100,000. Then cash plus 100,000. Bank loan plus 100,000. Cash plus 100,000. Bank loan plus 100,000. And then third one. Sold, cost 4,000, stocks to 6,000 on credit basis. Business sold 4,000, stocks for 6,000 on credit basis. How to record this transaction? How to record this transaction? How to record that? How to record this transaction? Stock minus 4,000. Stock minus 4,000. 6,000 on credit basis, and then debtors plus 6,000. Debtors plus 6,000, and then equity plus 2,000. Equity plus 2,000. Equity plus 2,000. And then my fourth one, paid bank loan installment of 15,000 and interest 5,000. Paid bank loan installment 15,000. Now here should be a paid bank loan installment 15,000. Now we will correct it as paid bank loan installment 15,000, including interest 5,000. Now we will adjust this one. Adjust this one. Paid bank loan installment 15,000, including interest 5,000. Including interest 5,000. Including interest 5,000. Paid bank loan installment 15,000, including interest 5,000. Including interest 5,000. Tell me how to record fourth one. How to record fourth one. Paid bank loan installment 15,000, including 5,000 interest. Then cash minus 15,000, equity minus 5,000, bank loan minus 10,000. Bank loan minus 10. Cash minus 15,000, equity minus 5,000, bank loan minus 10,000. Bank loan minus 10,000. Okay, they're done. Lenora, done. Lenora. Hasidu, done there. Hasidu, finish. Hasidu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Apsari, done.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Akshaya, done. Akshaya,
Done, sir.
done. Right. Fine. Tell me. Okay, they're done. Tell me. Hasidu, okay, Hasidu.
Yes, sir.
Done, right. And now then, right, Lamai, question number three. Question number three, you can do at home, but there are some printing mistake of question number three. Lamai, question number three, this account is cash account. That is okay. This one is cash account. This one is cash account. And then this account should be capital account. Huh? This one should be capital account. This second one should be capital account. Huh? Capital account. And then here this account electricity, that is okay. Now please remove this one. This capital account word, please remove it from. Huh? Please remove capital account word, right? Right. This should be capital account and then electricity account of electricity and then this one right. Please remove capital account. Okay, these two words and then data account. Okay, data account and then account. Lamai, do this question at home. Do this question at home. Right now, right, Lamai, we will go to question number six. Question number six. Disatna, did you get the paper book? Disatna, paper book hamara disatna නැද්ද? Disatna paper book එක හමුණාද නැද්ද Disatna? Disatna, can you hear me, Disatna? Right. Anyway, right now, we'll go to question number six. Look at the question number six. What is a trial balance? Now, how to define a trial balance? Trial balance means Kushi. What is trial balance? Kushi. Lakdil, what is trial balance? Lakdil.
A summary of all the ledger accounts.
Yes, a summary of all the ledger accounts. Okay, but you need to write down the your definition in the textbook, ne? Okay, ne? Senaya, what do you mean by trial balance? Senaya, trial balance means
An account made by all the balances in the ledgers.
right. Madesh, how to define a trial balance? Trial balance, Namai, grade 10 textbook. In the grade 10 textbook, page number 148. If you haven't highlighted, please highlight. Highlight करना था एक बार highlight कर गाना. Namai, grade 10 page number 148. Akshaya, what do you mean by the trial balance? Akshaya. I think you have some signal issue, Akshaya, today. Now go to page number 148. Grade 10 textbook, page number 148. Now I here, trial balance means the list which is prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balance of ledger accounts is called trial balance. The list prepared at the end of the period, including all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts, is called trial balance. It's called trial balance. Okay, the list prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts is called trial balance in the business. Trial balance. Okay, then Shania clear? Okay, the Shania.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Lamai, if you haven't highlighted, please highlight. Please highlight. The list prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balances. All the debit and credit balances. Lamai, if the balance brought forward amount, let's say Lamai in the cash book, then if balance, then balance carried down credit, balance brought forward debit, DBF debit. Then this debit balance we include finally. Now we need to debit into trial balance, debit side. Trial balance debit side. If cash balance is 5,000, then trial balance also debit. Trial balance debit 5,000 cash. Okay, you need to include balance brought forward amount. Okay, into the debit side or credit side of the trial balance. Okay, the list the list prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts. In the trial balance, we include all the debit and credit balances. Okay, right. Right. We have done so many questions related to trial balance. Okay, right. Anyway, again we will discuss again we will revise our knowledge. Again we will revise our knowledge. Right. Adelamai, part B. Look at the part B. Look at the part B. What is the meaning of balancing the average total debit column and credit column of the trial balance? If trial balance is equal, now if trial balance is equal, what it says? Now if trial balance is equal, now if the trial balance is equal, if both sides of trial balance, if both sides of the trial balance is equal, Then it explains something. It explains something. It says something. Now, if balance is equal, okay, it explains something. What is that? Ramesha.
There is a mathematical accuracy.
Yes. And then
The values of the debited accounts are equal to the values of the credited accounts.
yes. Yes. Now, if balance is equal, it says that all the debit figures, all the debit figures, all the debit balances you have properly credited. Yeah, now if balance is equal, it says that if you debited a transaction into some account, definitely to the opposite account you have credited. If you debited a transaction, definitely you have a record of that one in the credit side. Okay, and then mathematical accuracy. It means you have balance of ledger accounts properly, and then you have balance of ledger accounts properly. Right? Sometimes examiner may ask you to write down these two factors. Right? Look at the page number 148. Debit balances you have properly credited, and then you have balance of ledger accounts properly. Arithmetical accuracy. These are the two things. Page number 148. If the trial balance agrees, following facts can be confirmed. Following facts can be confirmed. If you haven't highlighted, please highlight. हमारी then मत highlight करेगा. Highlight करा. If the trial balance agrees, following two facts can be confirmed. What are they? Two facts. The values debited to the accounts are equal to the values credited to the account. Debited figures you have properly credited. Debited figures you have properly credited. And then ledger accounts have been balanced correctly. Ledger accounts have been balanced correctly. Okay, ledger accounts have been balanced correctly. Now, please highlight. If you haven't highlighted, please highlight. Okay, there. Okay, there. Right. Is it clear? Lagdil, okay, clear. Lagdil.
Yes, sir.
Right. Madesh, clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Now, my next question. Right. Lamai, quickly prepare. Lamai, quickly complete Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Here you need to prepare correct trial balance of the business. Correct trial balance. Now you need to prepare correct trial balance of the business. Quickly complete correct trial balance of the business organization. Correct trial balance. And then send me answers. Now send me answers to my WhatsApp. Send me answers to my WhatsApp.
So when we are doing this, should we rewrite this table?
Ramesha, Ramesha is not clear.
So when doing this question, should we rewrite this table?
Yes. You need to rewrite the table and you need to balance. Yes, you need to balance. Otherwise, you can't correct errors. And here, Roman number 2 says that following shows the trial balance prepared by trainee clerk Chamath in Banu's business. Prepare the correct trial balance after correcting mistake of it. Banu's business trial balance. Yes, you need to correct. You need to correct the trial balance. You need to rewrite everything. Okay. You need to write the record in the proper side. Here I mean discount allowed. They have recorded the credit side. That is wrong. Then you need to debit discount allowed. Purchase is okay. Purchase is okay. Purchase in the credit correct side. But discount allowed in the wrong side. Then you need to debit again. Need to debit again. Now I complete the question and send me answers. Complete the question and send me answers. Now today we need to do the class until 10:30 because I had to postpone one of the class from new grade 10 class to 8:30 because of heavy rain. Apsar, is it equal, Apsari? Equal, eh? All right, very good. I got the answer from Apsari. Right, Apsari, answer is correct, huh? Answer is correct, right? Okay. Right, I got answer from Shania, right? Right, equal, eh? Right, right, okay. I got the answer from Shania. Balance, huh? Right, very good, right. And then right, right, okay, Ramisha, right. Right, from Akshaya, right. Right. Lamai, okay, right. I got the answer from Akshay as well. Akshay, right. Question number 6, problem number 2. Lamai, trial balance. Trial balance of the business, trial balance. Trial balance, Lamai, here. Sales and the credit side. Sales and the credit side. Sales okay, sales okay. Sales are 50,000 credit. Sales from 50,000 credit. Purchases also correct side. Purchases 30,000 in the debit side. Right, okay. Now discount allowed. Discount allowed. We need to debit 5,000, but they have recorded the credit side. Wrong. Discount allowed. We can't credit. Discount allowed. Now what's the double entry? Data account credit. Discount allowed account debit. Data credit. Discount allowed debit. Discount allowed debit. Discount allowed expense debit. Expense debit. Creditors need to be recorded in the credit side. Creditors. They have recorded in the debit side. That is wrong. Creditors credit side. Credit purchases are record. Purchase account debit. Creditors account credit. Creditors side the credit side. Payable balances. Debtors 5,000. Okay. Debtors okay 5,000. Debtors 5,000. Okay. Debtors 5,000. Furniture debit side. Furniture 30,000 is the debit side. Furniture. Now discount received. Okay. Discount received 10,000. That is correct. Electricity expense 5,000. Electricity expense 5,000 debit side. That is need to debit. That one need to debit. Machinery 150,000 debit side. Machinery. Bank loan in the credit side. Bank loan 100,000 in the credit side. Bank loan. Investment. Rama investment 20,000 debit side. They have recorded the credit side. Investment debit side. Commission income credit side. Commission income credit side 15,000. Commission income credit side 15,000. Commission income. Salaries and wages 40,000. How much salaries and wages? Salaries and wages 40,000 debit side. Shop rent income. Shop rent income we need to credit. Shop rent income credit. Cash book debit, income account credit. Income credit. Shop rent income. Motor vehicle debit side. That is correct. Motor vehicle 500,000 debit side. And then capital 450,000 credit side. Capital. Right. Balance of the business. Balance of the business ownership. I both side equal है 35. Yes, 785. Now my balance figure 785. Okay. My balance figure 785,000. Right. Right. Madesh, is it okay? Madesh. Kushi, okay? Kushi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Austin, okay? Austin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Ishidu, okay? Ishidu. Tell me
Okay.
that. Tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Then lamai let them know okay, right. Right, lamai Roman number 3. Roman number 3. You need to do some. You need to correct question. Roman number 3. Some of the points we will just now. Now I go to question number 3. Lamai in question number 3. This should be 2500. Lamai, please remove 1 0. Lamai Roman number 3. Please remove 1 0. It should be 2500. Now it should be 2500. Okay, there, right. And then students, in question number 3, Roman number 3, here you can see you have to prepare petty cash book. Petty cash book. Prepare the petty cash book with postal, travel, stationery, and then here write down another point: sundry expenses, sundry, miscellaneous, postal, traveling, stationery, sundry, and other ledger account. Okay, Lamai, here write down another one: sundry, postal, travel, stationery, sundry, and then other ledger account. Okay, and then Lamai here, reimburse the petty cash book on, it is not 15 January. Here Lamai write down 31st January. Write down 31st January. Here write down 31st January. Yeah? 31st January. Okay, there. Write down 31st January. Right, Lamai, can you quickly complete petty cash book for this question? Petty cash book. Please complete petty cash book of this question. Lamai, prepare the petty cash book. Please send me answers. Please send me answers. Reimbursement 31st January, not 15th January. Expenses, postal, traveling, stationery, sundry, and other ledger account. Right. Complete the question and send me. Lamai, petty cash interest is 2500. 2500. Right. Complete the question and send me answers. Amisha. Amisha, January 1st opening balance is 400. Amisha, opening balance is 400 on January 1st. And then reimbursement is how much? 2,100. That's from Akshaya. Right. All right, Akshaya. Reimbursement is correct, Akshaya. 1st January, opening balance is 400. 1st January reimbursement is 2,000. Right, that is correct, Akshaya. As is correct. Right, others? Send me answers. Ishnidu? Question like this, send me answers. Tell me. Sonal? Right, I got answer from Shenaya. Right. Shenaya, balancing of right. Opening balance is okay, but need to balance off properly. Right. From Apsari, right? All right, Apsari. Okay, right. Okay, right. Apsari. Reimbursement also okay. But Apsari, you have written total amount. Total paid amount you have written. After refreshment 100, you need to write down total paid amount of salary. Right, now others. Akshaya, can you hear me, Akshaya? Akshaya, can you hear me, Akshaya? Akshaya, can you hear me, Akshaya? Ramesha, can you hear me, Ramesha?
Yes, sir.
Lagdil, can you hear me, Lagdil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Am I? Petty cash book. Petty cash book. Receipt. LF. Am I? Date. Date. And then am I? Description. And then description. Description. Am I? Date column and description column. Common to both sides. Common to both sides. Okay. Petty cash book. Dual functions. Petty cash book act dual functions. What are the dual functions of petty cash book? Acting as a primary book, acting as a ledger account. Primary book. Am I? Debit side of the petty cash book, and then am I? This side is a credit side. Date and description columns. Okay. A common to debit side as well as to credit side. And then am I? Every petty cash payment has a voucher number. Voucher number. Question. And then amount, total amount paid. Total amount paid. And then over here, analysis columns. Analysis columns. Analysis columns. And then over here, what are the analysis columns? Postal, traveling, stationery. Right? Postal, traveling, stationery. And then I asked you to write down here another one, sundry. Sundry, miscellaneous, and then here other ledger. And then here last line LF. Last line LF. Last line LF. Last line LF. Next right. Now petty cash reimbursement 1st January. Now petty cash impress amount is 2,500. Petty cash impress amount. But 1st January cash in hand how much? 400. Cash in hand 400. Now 1st January balance brought forward 400. Opening cash balance 400. And then the balance petty cash balance available with the petty cashier 400. Petty cash balance available with the petty cashier 400. 400. And then Ramai, petty cash reimbursement how much? Repayment 2,100. Main cashier paid 1st January. Main cashier paid 2,100 to petty cashier. 2,100 to petty cashier. Main cashier paid 2,100 to petty cashier. Right, I got answer from Theomi. Right. Right. And the answer from Themias. Right. And then here, no need to write down each and every item. When reimbursement of petty cash done. Right. And then bus fare. Bus fare traveling. Stamp and envelope. Postal. Carriage inward. Carriage inward 300 other ledger. Carriage inward 300 other ledger. Not sundry, not miscellaneous. Carriage inward. We have a separate account for carriage inward. To record carriage inward, we have a separate account. Therefore, carriage inward other ledger. Carriage inward other ledger. And then pen and pencil 70. Stationery. Taxi charges traveling. Purchase of bookshelf 400. Purchase of bookshelf 400 other ledger. Other ledger. Purchase of fixed asset. Bookshelf. A rack. Other ledger. Not stationery. Not stationery. Other ledger. Okay, yeah. Bookshelf other ledger 400. And then A4 papers stationery. Register post charges 40. Postal. Cleaning expenses. Cleaning sundry. Salary advance to Gayan 500. Other ledger. Salary advance 500 Gayan other ledger. Refreshment. Refreshment traveling. Sorry. Refreshment sundry expenses. Okay, Lamai. This question. Carriage inward other ledger. Purchase of bookshelf. Lamai other ledger. Purchase of fixed asset. Lamai we can't categorize 400 to stationery. And then 500. Salary advance 500 other ledger. Salary advance 500 other ledger. Salary advance 500 other ledger. Okay, the clear? Clear? Tell me, clear, tell me.
Clear, sir.
Clear, right? Apsari, clear, Apsari?
Clear, sir.
Right. Apsari, cleaning expenses, sundry. I ask you to write down postal, traveling, stationery, sundry, and then other ledger. Okay. Refreshment also, sundry expenses. Sundry means miscellaneous expenses. Into other ledger line, Lamai, we categorize other ledger. Into other ledger line, we categorize some of the expenses, some of the payments. Right. Then for those expenses, for those payments, we have separate ledger account. To record carriage inward, we have a separate account. To record bookshelf, the fixed asset, we have separate fixed asset account. To record 500 salary advance, we have separate account. Shenaya, okay, Shenaya.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Right, right. Clear, Ramisha, Ramesh. Okay, Ramisha.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right. Then here. Understood, right? Right. Then here total payments how much? Total payments? How much total payment? How much total amount paid now? How much? Total paid amount how much? Total petty cash payments how much? $1,840. Yes, 1,840. My total petty cash payment 1,840. 1,840. Total petty cash payments 1,840. Okay, 1,840 total petty cash payments. And then here, right, there is insurance. How to balance off? How to balance off? Here, you need to leave a line here. You need to leave a line here. And then here, am I? Debit side total amount how much? 2,500. 2,500. Alamai, here, in this question, I asked you to write down reimbursement on 31st January. Reimbursement on 31st January. Am I? If reimbursement on 31st January, am I within the month? Within the month. Reimbursement am I within the month? Am I normally in the most of the oral examiner provide reimbursement neither. January month reimbursement. Neither. End of the January month reimbursement in February month. If reimbursement in February month, am I here? I ask you write down reimbursement on 31st January. But let's say if reimbursement on 1st February, you can do you can balance of petty cash account like this. If reimbursement on 1st February, if reimbursement on 1st February, then 1st February, yeah, then total amount 2,500. Then transfer this amount to petty side 2,500. Then 2,500 minus 1,840. How much? 2,500 minus 1,840. Remaining balance 660. Lamai, if reimbursement on 1st February. Then Lamai, then 31st January, balance carried down 660. 660. Then 1st February, balance brought forward 660. And then here am I, if the reimbursement on 1st February, okay, we need to balance out petty cash flow like this. Then 2,500 transferred to this side, 2,500 minus 1,840, 660. 31st January balance carried down 660. Then am I, 1st February balance brought forward 660. If reimbursement on 1st February, then reimbursement amount am I, how much? 1,840, reimburse amount 1,840. Then my cash 1st February 1,840. Now you can use this method if reimbursement on 1st February after January month. Reimbursement on right there, the reimbursement after January month. But here in this question, now reimbursement on 31st January within the month. Now reimbursement within the month. Normally examiner may provide this kind of question, but sometimes examiner may ask you to balance off. Sometimes examiner may ask you to reimburse petty cash within the month, not February month, within the January month. Sometimes to drop your marks, examiner may ask you to examiner may provide that kind of things. Okay, yeah. Sometimes examiner may provide that kind of sometimes examiner may test that kind of things from you. Here am I reimbursement within the month. Then how to reimburse? How to do this kind of question? If reimbursement within the month, how to do? If reimbursement within the month, then now here total payment amount is 1,840. Within the month, 31st January. Then 31st January in this line, 31st January, main cashier pay 1,842 petty cashier. Reimbursement within the month. Alright. On 31st January, main cashier pay some amount equal to that month expense. Okay, in this month, total petty cash expense is 1,840. That amount again repaid by the main cashier to the petty cashier. Okay, main cashier repaid to petty cashier on 31st January 1,840. 1,840. Sometimes this type of things may be tested in the provisional paper. This time provisional paper. Okay, then 31st January on 31st January 1,840 reimbursed by the main cashier to the petty cashier 1,840. And then you need to leave a line here. You need to leave a line. And then here you can get the total amount. You can get the total amount. Reimbursement within the month, within January month. Reimbursement within January month. Then here total cash received amount how much? Total amount of opening balance 400, reimbursed amount on 1st January 2,100, and then again 31st January main cashier paid 1,840 petty cashier. Then my balance is how much here? Total balance how much? 4,340. 4,340. Opening balance, reimbursement on 1st January, and then my 30th January reimbursement 1,840. 4,340. And then my transfer this amount to credit side 4,340. 4,340. And then my now 4,340 minus 1,840. 4,340 minus 1,840 my here my 31st January balance carried down. Wait, 4,340 minus 1,840. How much? How much? How much? How much money? 2,500. 31st January balance carried down 2,500. 1st February balance brought forward 2,500. My reimbursement within the month. If we go to next month, okay, here am I 31st January main cashier again repaid 1,840 to petty cashier. Then total amount 400 plus 2,100, 1,840, 4,340 transfer to credit side. Then 4,340 minus 1,840. 31st March, 31st January balance carried down 2,500. 1st February balance brought forward 2,000. Is it clear? Hasidu clear? Hasidu.
Sir, can you explain the last part again, please?
Huh?
Can you explain the last part again, please?
Not clear? Right. Lenora, is it clear, Lenora?
Yes.
Yes, right. Disapna clear, Disapna. Tell me, is it clear? Tell me.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Apsara clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Ramesha? Right. Akshaya, clear? Akshaya? Akshaya missing, me, right? Sonal, is it clear? Sonal? Clear the Sonal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Exam එක වගේ දේවල් දෙන්න පුළුවන් ආ සමහරවිට ඔගේ පොයින්ට් එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් ඒක මම කරේ හරි right. Right, now I quickly go to question number 7. Quickly go to question number 7. Now I define financial statements. Now I define financial statements. How to define financial statements? Now I financial statements. How to define financial statements? Kushi, Austin. How to define financial statements in a business? Apsari, Ignorance, Samisha. Yes.
The records that convey the business activities and the financial performance.
Right. Say it again.
Records that convey the business activities and the financial performance.
Yes. Okay, right. Right. Right, okay. Then how to define financial statements of your textbook? Now I go to grade 11 textbook, page number 46. 46 now. Go to page number 46 now, grade 11 textbook. Now if you haven't highlighted, please highlight. Here. Now look at this sentence. Look at this one. The financial statements are prepared to identify the operational results and financial position of the business. Statement prepared by the business organization to identify operational results and financial position of the business. Please write down. Statements, financial statements are the statements. Financial statements are the statements prepared by the business to identify operational results and financial position of the business. Financial statements are the statements prepared by the business to identify operational results and financial position of the business. Please highlight. If you haven't highlighted, please highlight. Please highlight. Page 46. Page 46 of your textbook. Page 46. Right. And then next one. Okay, they're done. Kushi, okay, they're done. Kushi. Ramisha, okay, Ramisha.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next one. Name two main financial statements prepared by a business. Prepared by a sole proprietorship business. You know. What are they?
Profit or loss statement and
Yes, profit or loss statement and statement of financial position. Right, right, okay, right. And then insurance. Complete the following table using given expense. Now I quickly will read. Advertising now I belongs to what? Advertising?
distribution expenses,
Yes. Electricity?
administration expenses,
Right. Bank loan interest? Lagdil, bank loan interest, Lagdil? Shanaya? Finance, finance. Right. Now we can't categorize the distribution or admin. Trade employee salary. Now trade employee salary.
Administration.
No. Trade employees, distribution expense. Distribution means selling and distribution. Then trade employees, distribution expense. Okay, right. Bad debts, bad debts.
distribution expenses,
Distribution expense. Carriage inward. Lenora, how to classify carriage inward? Now we can't take carriage inward to distribution to admin. Carriage inwards belongs to purchases. To purchase, you need to add carriage inward. Telephone charges,
Administration.
administration. Cash fraud. Now cash fraud belongs to other expenses. You can't categorize it to distribution or admin. Cash flow belongs to administration. Sorry, other expenses. Other expenses. Right. Lamai, question number 7, Roman number 2, part B. Complete at home. Complete as semi answers. No adjustments there. There's no any adjustment. There's no adjustment. Try to do the part B at home and send me answers. Okay, if you can't balance the question, next day quickly we'll discuss, and after that we can move into another paper. Another paper. Right. And after completing this one, Lamai, we will move to next paper. I got it. Right. But Lamai, we listen for the day. We listen for the day. Lamai, complete part B. Prepare the financial statements of sole and business organization and send me answers. Send me answers. Try to balance the question somehow. We'll discuss next day, and then we can move into next paper. Okay. I think we need to do Lamai next paper of your paper book. What is the next paper of your paper book, Ramesha?
Northern Province paper, sir.
Yes. 2019 November, the third term test paper, ne? All right. Now, give me 1 minute. This is the paper we are going to discuss next day. If you have paper book, the paper book I have included. Now, this is the paper. Give me 1 minute. I will send you. Now, this is a paper that we are going to discuss next day. Okay, next day, Northern Province paper 2019 November, third term test paper. Okay, right. That we'll discuss at the class, huh? Right. Right, now we'll listen for the day. Good night.
Good night, sir. God bless.
Good
Okay.
night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, good night.